When we talk about the future of cities, so often we've been talking about technology. And I think technology is just an enabler. At the center of a city, you have citizens, you have the people. And this means really redesigning the role of technology for the cities of the future.
I think that in all the discussion about the productive city and in all the discussion about smart cities, we are making some mistakes, and part of those mistakes have to do with the fact that we put a lot of emphasis on outcomes and not so much on processes. So I think that it's important to think about not just the outcomes of these productive cities, but also about the social processes that will be leading to a new model, that goes beyond Taylorism and Fordism.
Durante siglos, para poder transformar la ciudad, para poder cambiarla, para diseñarla, imaginarla, nos basábamos en la experiencia empírica y en la acumulación de información. Acumulábamos tal cantidad de experiencias durante años y siglos que éramos capaces, en base a esa experiencia, de poder diseñar una ciudad. Hoy todo eso no nos sirve absolutamente de nada. ¿Por qué? Porque tenemos datos en tiempo real, real-time datas, cada 3 segundos, que lo que necesitamos es aprender no a acumular, sino aprender a olvidar o borrar la información. Cada 3 segundos borramos la información anterior y necesitamos una nueva, que habla de nueva posición, de nuevas condiciones, de nuevos datos que obligan a saberlo y a mantener viva esa información para poder diseñar comportamientos humanos dentro de una ciudad.
We need to start talking about responsive environments, about active public spaces, about eco-neighborhoods, about do-it-yourself processes, about Internet of Things or Internet of Energy. So the whole language of architecture, urban planning and design is changing in this kind of future scenario.
Fab Labs are are injecting people and citizenship. I think a new philosophy of how things should be made and how we should use technology that is not only a commodity to be consumed, but actually technology could be a tool to improve people's life.
I think basically we are continuing with a line of research that has to do with the idea of technology applied to urban design.
Barcelona is the city where the word urbanism was invented in order to define the city for the industrial age. And in Barcelona, ATIAC is the place where we want also to reinvent the city of the future for the information age. Our mission is to invent the city of the future and to build it in the present for the welfare of the people and to inspire the world. So this is Barcelona.